everyone, welcome to External Star channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I will be unboxing and reviewing one of the new automobile releases, and namely today I will focus on this nice Nissan Skyline GTR R33 Mines from 1998, white color, the original price €59. And you can see that there are quite a few new automobile releases. All are around €60. Then we have the GT Spirit new releases. Some of them around 120. And even this one, 1 to 8, which is €1,000. Incredible, that's quite high price. And we have also some Solido products, which are a little bit cheaper, so in the range of €50. So now we are looking here in this mid-range. Automobile is the mid-price range, GT Spirit a higher range, and then Solido a little bit lower in the range, okay? But today I will not discuss all the new products. I will just review this one beautiful in the box. It's a white box, and of course there is nothing else. Only here, automobile, white box. There are actually no pictures of the car. So let me directly open it and see what is inside. And I can see that inside there is actually this styrofoam box, and what is really interesting, I'm always checking if there are any screws or not, and here on this box there are no screws, so it will be a little bit easier because I will not need a screwdriver for that, and I can directly use my scissors here to remove the tape which is around. Now let me do some gentle cut here. And also maybe a zoom in. All right, so here we go. It's quite simple to do that. You don't need a lot of skills for this unboxing, so quite easy. All right, and now Nissan Skyline. Show your I don't know what. Just show yourself. Okay, so here you see that if you open the box, it's a little bit here underneath this secondary layer, and I want to be really careful. So now always a question how to handle it. And in this case, maybe I can take out the whole piece, okay, like this. Okay. And you see there is nothing else. It's only the model. And now it's in this bag. It's a plastic bag, transparent bag, and there's also a little bit piece of paper. Okay, here we go. So you see here, that is the model, Nissan Skyline, white one with some stripes here. Here you can see this minis, LM Evolution minis again. So different font here, different font here. And actually it's a resin model. No, maybe, I don't even know if this is resin or diecast. It's really difficult to find out because the whole model is quite heavy. So resin models are a little bit lighter. I really don't know, guys. If this is resin, no, I think it must be metal. I don't want to now. I could use the scissors to scratch it and see if this is metal or not, but I will not do that. I believe this is really metal. It's a metal model, and if not, then that's the greatest imitation of metal I have ever seen. So funny. All right, so now maybe let's start the review here in the front directly, and I will a little bit zoom in the camera so that you can see the details. And here you can see this GTR logo and also this Minis license plate and the carbon fiber effect. The carbon fiber here in the front, also here on the license plate, and so on. So it's everywhere, the whole piece here. And then we have the front lights or the headlights. Quite nice details inside. I like it. Not that bad. The front grille, which is not perforated, unfortunately, so that's a piece of plastic. Then we have here the fog lights, and again some signs. Falcon, I don't know what this is, yeah, to be honest, but anyway, let's go to the side view. And here on the side, the wheels are not spinning, yeah, so it's actually, this is really a model just for display, so not spinning, not turning, but they show quite some nice details. So BBS wheels, and then is it Brembo? Probably Brembo brake calipers, and we can also see the brake disc. And I like the brake disc, it's because it looks really like real metal brake disc. Yeah, it's because it's a little bit shiny, and this is what I like. So the wheels are also okay. The screws here look quite fine. And then here we have GT, and we have this light, or the turning light on the side, which I think looks also nice. It's not just a sticker, it's really a piece of plastic with this orange color, so it looks very realistic. And then we have the side doors. So here you see that there's quite a nice gap. And then we have the door handle. What you can see when you check really from a close view, that here this is a sticker. You can see maybe that the reflection is a little bit different. Yeah, so here it's very reflective, and here the sticker is a little bit matte. Okay. Then here the same wheels in the back, no difference. Also nice, and actually this is nice rubber. Yeah, so it's really it looks like real rubber, and it's okay. And then in the back, here we have also the rear lights, very nicely done. Again, the license plate, which is quite big and huge, and we have one exhaust. Yeah. So here we have again, you know, some nice parts like this spoiler here. I like it very much. And also in the back, actually you cannot open this model, yeah? So it's not openable. You cannot open the trunk, the engine, hood, nothing. Also not the door, because this is fully sealed. And actually, one thing that I am missing here is this, and I think, and sorry guys, I was too violent. I was too violent when I was opening this, and you should be more careful than I was, because maybe I did this when I was removing it out of this, and it's actually a quick fix. Yeah, so it happened to me already for almost every second model that I need to fix the mirrors, and I will also do it here. Yeah, so a drop of glue and it will be fine. What I also like here is this rear window, which is quite nicely done, because you can see the heating stripes and also the speakers, which are quite big. What I want to show you now is also a little bit of the interior, and here, oh, look at that. This is actually a car which has the steering on the right side, which is quite unusual. Yeah? So probably in Australia or Great Britain, or I don't know where else, in Japan, they have the right side steering. And here you can see the steering wheel quite detailed, and then also some other parts, like here on this view, the middle panel, the brake, handbrake, the gear shift, radio, some details are definitely there. Yeah, so when I check from here, you can see the seats. You see the middle of the seat has its own decoration, and it looks really great, because it's not just plain gray, but we can see the stitching, and that's quite nice. I like it. Okay, so this is the Evolution, and Yeah, it's really nice. I like it. So now only a question, how would I rate this model overall? Yeah, and of course there will be a rating at the end of this video, which I'm always giving to all models that I review in my videos. But this one, I like that it's quite heavy, first of all. Yeah, the materials, they look fine. It's very detailed, so the paint is quite fine. I don't see any problems or any issues. It's not scratched anywhere. I think the quality control is fine. And you also need to consider that this is not a CMC model for 1,000 US dollars. This is really in the cheaper range, and this is also why you cannot expect all the fancy details like I reviewed in my previous video in the CMC Pullman. But here, for this money, if you are interested in Japanese cars, and if you are collecting, for example, Nissan cars, then this one would be really one of the models you should be seeking of. And actually, when I check back, it's only 1,500 pieces, so there is a limitation. Yeah, it's not unlimited, and this is also what I like. Yeah, because when it's unlimited, they always release new batches, and then it's losing price. On the other side, if you have a limited, then it's only gaining price. It very much reminds me of the Peugeot from the movie Taxi, and it's very similar style. And I think also the year 1998, it's the same like the Peugeot from the original movie Taxi. Okay, so good. Now I think that's it. I have reviewed. Oh, maybe there is one more thing. There is a small antenna here, you see, here. And yeah, that's basically it. So good, nice model. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Now only time for the final rating. So bye bye.